The click engine. 2 sales came from the click engine in the last 2 days. Love it! Real testimonial from Bob Riddell limited free promo code. Would you like 1,000 free website views from one of our trusted traffic partners? It's finally possible to get top quality buyer clicks for just mere pennies. See some of our customer success stories below. Join today and get the following fast action bonuses. Extremely cool bonus number 1. Normally $147 per year. Bonus library. Get ASUREFIREWEALTH Silver Level Pass with hundreds of products to download and offer as bonuses in your promotions. Get the latest ebooks, software, plugins, audios, and videos. Many with giveaway, resell, master resell, and private label rights at one of the most respected membership sites in internet marketing that's been around since 2005. As a silver member, you'll own the transferable resell rights, and master resell rights. You'll receive plug-and-play, professionally written sales pages. A great source for your affiliate bonuses, and a chance to double your earning potential by selling the products and the rights to your own customers. Get it free for 12 months. Its bonus value, $147. Extremely cool bonus number 2. The secret to pocket change traffic. Learn the tricks and tactics to acquiring real solid traffic for pocket change. Learn how to get a ton of traffic on a meager budget of as little as $10 a day. Discover the secrets to dramatically increasing your traffic using these advanced marketing techniques. Find out how to inject a shot of adrenaline into your traffic campaigns overnight. Uncover the secrets to using the 3 different types of traffic effectively. Extremely cool bonus number 3. Traffic Booster. Skyrocket your traffic with these proven strategies. Discover the most important traffic generation tools that you need to blast fresh traffic to your site. Uncover what free resources should always be a part of your traffic campaigns for maximum results. Learn how to create index magnets that will help you rank within the search engines quickly. Find out where you can go to find hungry buyers in your niche market absolutely free. Extremely cool bonus number 4. Mailing List Maximizer. How to attract subscribers and keep them on your list for maximum profit. Discover a powerful way to funnel thousands of people into your mailing list quickly. Uncover the easiest and free way to generate targeted traffic to your squeeze pages that'll convert. Find out why it's important to work on the back end of your mailing list before you start on the front end. Learn how you can build highly profitable mailing lists in just a few days, even if you're a beginner. Extremely cool bonus number 5. The top 10 list building fails. If the money isn't in your list, you need to read this. Find out the easy little text trick that will increase your results considerably. Or decrease them if you don't. Discover the best way to figure out how often to email your list without making them unsubscribe. Learn how something as simple as which email service you use can have a dramatic effect on your success. Uncover the common mistakes people make with email marketing and how you can keep these errors. Extremely cool bonus number 6. The Action List Building Plan. Grow your list. Grow your business with proven steps and strategies. Learn about the most valuable new tool that you can use to create wildly converting squeeze pages with no code. Discover the deceptively simple trick that can explode your subscriber base in no time flat. Find out surprising new online sources of subscribers that you probably never thought of. Uncover the top free online sources of tons of mailing list subscribers. Extremely cool bonus number 7. The Beginner to Super Affiliate Edge. Get the secret formula to grow your affiliate profits and hit the top of the leaderboards. Uncover the fail-proof formula for creating irresistible offers that will generate automated profits quickly. Find out how you can easily automate your promotional efforts with just one powerful service. Discover insider secrets of seasoned affiliate marketers who know exactly how to turn prospects to customers. Learn to shoot yourself to the top of the leaderboards quickly, even if you're a complete newbie. Extremely cool bonus number 8. The secret marketing magnet. Learn this style of authority building that will connect you with and create die-hard fans. Find out how you can get into a position of power and influence without the big-time dumps. Learn how to resonate with your core audience and motivate them into becoming part of your tribe. Discover how to level up your marketing game while minimizing advertising costs. Uncover how this powerful tactic can be when integrated into your existing marketing campaigns. Get real buyer traffic, only just $4.90 per month. So dear friend, if you want to buy these or want to know more, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.